Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to apply for your Social Security spousal or divorced spouses benefits online. Okay, so who can apply? So you can apply online if you are within 3 months of turning 62 or older and eligible for spousal and divorced spouses benefits. If you're not eligible to apply online, you can still apply on the phone or at your local SSA office. Now, how to apply for spousal benefits online. You want to go to the SSA website and then select apply for retirement benefits. The online retirement application also covers spousal benefits. Then start the application. So we want to go ahead and log in with your Social Security account. Create one if you don't already have one. Select that you're reapplying, applying for spouses or divorced spouse benefits. Then we need to complete the application form. So the form is based on SSA-2, spouse benefit application. You'll be asked about your personal details. So it's going to be your name, SSN, date of place of birth, citizenship, your marriage history, any former spouses, your children, your employment history, whether you want to enroll in Medicare Part B, the month you want benefits to begin. And you also need documents to provide documents if requested. So SSA may ask you to upload or mail original copies of your birth certificate, marriage certificate, or divorce decree if divorced, proof of US citizen, lawful status if not US born, W-2s or self-employment tax returns from the previous year, also military discharge papers if service before 1968. Originals like birth, marriage certificate usually must be mailed or shown in person. SSA will return them. Now, you need to set up a direct deposit after this, so have your bank account or credit union details ready from a checkbook or statement to receive those payments electronically. Now, from here, you want to go ahead and submit the application. So review your answers carefully, submit the form online. You will receive a confirmation number and SSA will contact you if more info is needed. Now, there are some tips as well before applying, so do not delay applying just because you don't have all documents. SSA will help you get them. And now, if you schedule a phone office appointment, may reduce waiting times, and be prepared to answer detailed questions about your spouse's or ex-spouse's work and marriage history.